Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to another video with PJ Panna Jewelers exclusive. So today in this video, we are going to see our exclusive beads collection. These are all long beads collection. Now, why lightweight only is that we are running an exclusive offer in this month of March from 1st to 31st, in which you are getting 100 rupees extra on your all old gold exchanges, that too per gram. So grab this offer as soon as possible. Let's start the video. So let me start off with this beautiful necklace here, and this is a two side pendant necklace. So we have two pendants each of the sides. Now when we see the stringing here, the upper side is like stringed with 3 layers of pearls, and like it is belonged with 5 layers here, and in this we see Swarovski pearls and also pink color semi precious beads are being hanged here. Now this combination is really very beautiful, and the net weight of this necklace is around 8.5 grams. So if you like any of the pieces I'm showing in this video, you can take a screenshot and DM us for further details, or you can just WhatsApp on the number which is provided on the screen. Okay, let's see another one now. Now here is a crystal beads. Like when we see here in the zoom in, it's really very beautiful beads. Now it has very much layers, like almost 1 2 3, I think we have 7 to 8 layers of the beads here. And then we have small pendants on each of the sides, like I think around 16 pendants are there here. These are all designed with CZ stones, and the net weight of this necklace is around 5.1 grams. So this is kind of unisex harem. I mean, the ladies can also wear, and the gents can also wear. So it is a unisex harem, and I think it's very perfect for any of your occasions. Let's see another one. So here's another side pendant necklace, in which we have again two side pendants. Each of the side we have a single pendant, and the pendant is having a very beautiful carving stone. It's really very elegant. This is here stringed with very beautifully designed pumpkin beads in very like lighter shade. It's like kind of baby pink color, and on top we have Swarovski pearls. So the net weight of this one is around 7.8 grams. Okay, let's see another one. So here's another necklace. Now this is also two combination necklace here. On top we have so many bunches of layers here with all small size of pearls, and then these are having very beautifully designed here, like thicker shade and also very thicker size of beads here. These are really very beautiful, and these are also having two side pendants. One is a bigger size and one is a smaller size. Now each of the pendant has this beautiful pota stone. Like this size is very small. Pota is nothing but the bump of the stone, and this one is having very beautifully CZ design work and like kind of handmade nakshi work too. So the net weight of this necklace is around 9.2 grams. So the necklaces which I've shown till now are really very beautiful. The necklaces which I've shown you till now are all under 10 grams. So whichever necklaces you are liking, you can just take a screenshot and WhatsApp us on the number which is provided on the screen. Okay, let's see another. So in the shades of red and pink, I've got you another one here. Now this is a medium length necklace, and you can adjust the length here, either short or also in the medium length. So the net weight of this one is around 17.2 grams, and the design here is all with CZ stones and also darker shade of red with the pota stones, and the stringing here in the bottom is done with the Swarovski pearls and also the bunches of pearls. Okay, let's see another one. So here's another long necklace which is stringed with the ruby beads and also smaller size of Swarovski beads here. And then the locket is really very beautiful. It has a step pendant sort of thing, and in the hangings also, when we see here, we are having the CZ stones and also Swarovski pearls. Now here when we see the pendant design, we have a carving stone on which we have the carving work with the gold, and in between we have a CZ stone too. And here is a pure shape design of the pota stone, and the net weight of this necklace is around 7.9 grams only. So here's a similar one to one which I showed you before, and this is also stringed with 5 lines of beads and Swarovski pearl combination. Now here the locket is really very heavy, and then we have two peacocks on each side, and between we have a cutting stone. Now when we see down here, we have the crystal beads attached with the Swarovski pearls too. Really very beautiful. It will complement your dress very beautifully. The net weight of this one is around 16.8 grams. So in the shade of reds only, we have so many similar designs here. any design you can like and you can just purchase it. So here's again very beautiful design. Now the here also we have peacock button, different design. When we see here down, we have like kind of mango design, and in which we have the color stones, also the seasoned stones. When we see your hangings, again we have so beautiful hangings, like we have two pendants, like we have two beads here, Swarovski pearls and also the ruby beads here. So the net weight of this one is around 13 grams. So you can just adjust this one, like if you want heavier look, you can just go for many lines of stringing. If you want a simple look, you can just go for 3 or 4 lines of stringing. So as per your customization, we can just place an order also. So here's again a similar design necklace. Now here we have like 2 lines of stringing, and then again it is like separated, and then we have 3 lines of stringing. Similarly, we have 3-step pendants here, the small, the big, and then the largest. And then we have the Nakshi pattern here. Then we have 3 layers of seasoned stones. Now this is really very beautiful, hanged with seasoned stones, and then we have small crystal beads here in the magenta pink color. And the net weight of this necklace is around 13.4 grams. Okay, let's see another one. So in the shades of pink, I've got you another design here, and then this one has like kind of chain pattern but stringed with the thread only. When we see here the locket, it has again 2-step pendants, and the design is really very beautiful. Like it has a peacock design, and the feathers like design is done with the seasoned stones. This is hanged with Swarovski pearls and pink color beads combination. On top, we just have a single layer of Swarovski pearls chain. The net weight of this necklace is around 12.12 grams. So in this only we have similar colors also available. Okay, let's see now. So here's a 3-layer necklace now, like kind of sat lada or teen lada we can say. And then this one has the like pastel color beads here. These are not exactly pink or exactly red, but these are kind of onion color pink. And then this one is hanged with the seasoned stones, and then 3 bunches of pearls here. So the net weight of this necklace is around 12.9 grams. Okay, so let's see another one. So in chain pattern, we have another necklace here. Now this one is stringed with the gold only and not with the thread. Now when we see here, we have all beads. So in the chain pattern, I've got you another necklace here. Now this one is like 2 layers here, and each layer has the beads here, and in between beads we have the seasoned stone work design with the flower design. And the net weight of this necklace is around 29.7 grams. Now the weight is high because this is like stringed with the fully of gold work. Now when we see here, each bead is like around the frame of the gold work. Okay, so with this necklace I end the video here. Okay, so with this necklace, I end the video here. Whichever designs you have liked, please take a screenshot and just WhatsApp on the number which is provided on the screen. I repeat the offer. The offer is you are getting 100 rupees extra on your old gold exchange, that too per gram, from 1st to 31st of March at PJE Panna Jewellers exclusive at MG Road, Secunderabad. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.